Yeah, the last episode went like this. The track ended as soon as we tried walking it. We saw a pig. We saw familiar writing. We saw cars that drive on the correct side of the road. The track ended again. The phone rang. We said Thailand and missed it by a country. That's where Thailand is. This is where we are. In Cambodia, so close to Vietnam, people here probably don't even know which country they live in. Um, Not sure why we couldn't continue down there. Oh yeah, look, it ends here. So we walked from here to here. So a pig, a few trucks, a poster, and said Thailand, and blew it. At least we did it quickly. Let's start the next trip and try to do it properly. Alexa, start the timer for 10 minutes. Uh, these are roughly African colors, Ethiopian or whatnot. Mainly, I mean, a lot of, if not official state flags, then a lot of African themed art and clothes and graffiti and everything comes in these three colors. Does not mean we are in Africa. We are most likely in Europe, and this is Sheen Scheberger Linear Technology. Just because the name of the country is in English does not mean we're in an English-speaking country, but all right, when cars drive on the correct side of the road, it is not England. Spedition Schaeffer, this is German, could be Austrian or Swiss. But this looks good for Germany at first approximation. I wanted to see the back of this truck. Instead, the truck disappeared. Love this about Google Street View. Everything here, everything here looks German, and it is possible that they cut out some important identifying pieces of information. So let's work on the working hypothesis that we're in Germany and try to prove it one way or the other. Uh, in Germany, we expect to see German cars. I don't know if they import as many Japanese cars as other countries around the world, and I'd be surprised if they import many European cars, such as French or Italian. I would be highly surprised if they import American cars. If we see a lot of German cars, we will get closer to concluding we're in Germany. It is possible we are, so far, Mercedes and VWs everywhere. Um, HE does not mean high efficiency laundry detergent, it means something else. Serge Leon, they had a baby, I think, with an international name. Well, Spanish, I think. Oh, hang on. This should be good. Okay, start here. All right, come. Okay, Hector. He. Okay. Very unimaginative logos. If somebody's name is A. Camber, it's an AK. If somebody is a Hector Egger, it's HE. If somebody is a Mertz, they are ME. Very consistent, uniform logos. That is funny. CH. Okay, so CH would be Confederația Helvetica, and we are in Switzerland, not Germany. Final answer. Let's not waste any time. Hang on, before we not waste any time. The heck is this? Is this a URL? Not necessarily a URL, probably just an AG, just as a part of a business name. But there's a W there, and it's a CH. Okay, Switzerland. Yes, we're in Switzerland, between Bern and Lucerne and Basel, in the heart of Switzerland, German-speaking part. There's also a smaller French and a tiny Italian part of Switzerland, which we hope to visit one day. Thank you for watching. This was an easy one. Um, that's it. I have nothing else to say.